everyone! Are you tired of the hassle of traditional web design and development? Well, let me introduce you to a tool for becoming your new best friend, especially if your current website building process feels as outdated as grandma's giblet jello salad. Today we're going further into WebWave and the much talked about lifetime deal. For those who aren't programmers and want to skip the learning curve and dive right into the creative process, this is their best chance. So buckle up as we explore the ins and outs of the WebWave lifetime deal. It's not just a product, it's your next web design revolution. What is WebWave? Imagine a world where you can craft professional, white-labeled websites without touching a single line of code. That's WebWave, a designer's paradise that blends ease with elegance. It's a platform where freelancers and agencies can weave custom-designed websites with drag-and-drop magic. WebWave ensures your client's website stands out, allowing you to tweak every tiny detail until it is pixel perfect. Whether starting from scratch, using an AI builder, or selecting a range of responsive templates, WebWave's got you covered. Exclusive lifetime deal offer on AppSumo. Normally, you'd expect to dig deep into your pockets for such a premium service, but thanks to AppSumo, the deal is as sweet as it gets. You unlock a world where your creativity knows no bounds for a one-time payment of $69 instead of the regular $1,200. Check out these plans tailored for every need. Single plan. One-time purchase of $69 for 2 premium plans with 500,000 monthly visitors and unlimited pages. Unlimited disk capacity. White labeling. AI writer. AI builder. 10K AI credits. Double plan. One-time purchase of $138 for 5 premium plans with 1 million monthly visitors. 5 premium plans, connected sites. 1M monthly unique visitors, split between domains. 25K AI credits. Multiple plan. One-time purchase of $207 for 10 premium plans with unlimited monthly visitors. 10 premium plans, connected sites. Unlimited monthly unique visitors, split between domains. 50K AI credits. All plans come with the full WebWave features suite, including AI writer and builder credits. 4 standout features that make WebWave a game changer. Let's break down what makes WebWave a powerhouse. No code design freedom. Wave goodbye to coding. Drag and drop to your heart's content. Customizability to the max. Adjust every element until it's just right. Responsive design. Create sites that look great on any device. Photoshop-esque interface. Familiar for Adobe fans and intuitive for newbies. Who will love WebWave? WebWave isn't just for anyone, it's for everyone who dreams of hassle-free web design. Here's who will find it irresistible. Freelancers are looking to speed up their workflow. Graphic designers craving design freedom. Web designers in search of a one-stop shop solution. Agencies aiming to streamline their process. Entrepreneurs wanting to launch websites without the tech tangle. If this sounds like you or someone you know, it's time to jump on the WebWave. Grab an extra 10% off the WebWave lifetime deal. You heard it right, folks! There's an extra cherry on top of this deal. Get an additional 10% off on the already slashed AppSumo price. How to lock in this deal? Grab an additional 10% off WebWave lifetime deal. Visit the AppSumo WebWave lifetime deal offer page. Wait for that sweet discount pop-up. Enter a valid email address. Stick to one to avoid confusion. Keep an eye on your inbox for the extra discount. Don't miss this chance to save even more! Real reviews from real people. What's better than hearing from those who've already taken the plunge? Let's take a peek at some genuine user reviews, accompanied by some catchy tunes to set the mood. Unexpected delays can cost you a rare opportunity. Take advantage of your WebWave lifetime bargain now. Grab this offer now to avoid regret. Explore the features and get your lifetime offer before it's gone. Remember to engage with us if you found this overview valuable and are eager for more insightful tech tutorials and reviews. Supporting our channel with a like, share, or subscription can make a huge difference. Come along with us as we explore the cutting edge of technology.